Welcome to another Pedro tutorial. In this tutorial, we will uncover the capabilities of Pedro eHealth platform through the eyes of case managers and board members. Join us as we dive into the world of Pedro and discover how it empowers both case managers and board members to enhance patients with CLL care. After writing your username and password, press Login. Once inside, you are welcomed into the heart of Pedro, the main dashboard, where essential metrics and a list of all user cases are at your fingertips. Here you will find key metrics that provide a quick overview of case statuses. Below, you will see a comprehensive list of all the cases within the system. This is your command center, designed for efficient and organized case management. As a case manager, your role often involves assisting healthcare professionals in managing complex CLL cases. You will notice a new case on your list created by a healthcare professional seeking assistance in a medical CLL case. By clicking on the title of the case, you can access a range of tools for communication and shared decision-making with your colleagues. Here are the tools at your disposal. You can write your opinion here at the bottom of the page to share your insights and recommendations with the other case managers and board members. If you need further information, just click to ask for clarifications to seek further details from the healthcare professional. Should you find the case inappropriate, just select the reject case by selecting the red button and provide your reason for doing so. After carefully assessing the CLL case, share your opinion with your colleagues by pressing the Add Feedback button. By selecting Notify for draft reply, you can now connect with a fellow case manager who may be better suited to assist. Select the case manager you think is best equipped to contribute to this case. This seamless collaboration ensures that the collective knowledge and experience of the Pedro community leveraged to make the most informed decisions. By selecting the right collaborator, you are reinforcing the Pedro commitment to excellence in CLL patients' care. Together, we make a difference. After selecting the appropriate collaborator for the CLL case, it's time to harness the collective wisdom that Pedro offers. Pedro sends a notification to the second case manager letting them know that their experience is needed. Now, all that left is to patiently wait for the second case manager's opinion and insights. Pedro's collaborative approach guarantees that you're never alone in making crucial decisions, and you have the support of a dedicated community of experts. The power of collaboration is the heart of Pedro. The second case manager has responded with valuable insights, and now it's time to solidify the collective decision-making process. Pedro probably notifies you with an email, ensuring you are always informed and connected. This notification directs you to the case where you can now submit the final draft for more comprehensive review. With Submit Final Draft, you are not only consolidating the collaborative input, but also sending the case to a board member for their expert evaluation. Here you can select the board member that you prefer. This seamless transition ensures that the case is thoroughly reviewed and benefits from the wide spectrum of experience. Now, as we enter the perspective of a board member, a critical part of Pedro's commitment to comprehensive CLL care. You will notice a case submitted for a board-level review, as Pedro ensures that the most experienced professionals contribute to complex cases. By clicking on the case, you can explore the detailed analysis and insights shared by the collaborating case managers. Your role as a board member is to enrich the case with your expert opinion, providing the highest level of guidance and knowledge. At the bottom of the case, you can find the internal messaging of the case managers where you can add feedback regarding your case. This collective approach ensures that each case benefits from the highest level of expertise, leaving no stone unturned in the quest of the best CLL patient care. The board member has shared their invaluable insights, and it's time to complete the circle of collaborative decision-making in Pedro. As always, Pedro ensures you are promptly informed with an email notification keeping you connected every step on the way. By entering the case, you now can navigate at the bottom of the page where you can compile the final opinion incorporating input for all collaborating experts. By completing the description field with the Submit Answer button, you are ready to deliver the comprehensive opinion of the healthcare professional who initiated the case. Pedro collaborative process comes full circle, ensuring that the healthcare professional receives the most informed and expert opinion, making a real difference in CLL patient care. With the case now concluded and a satisfied answer provided, it's time to wrap up the process in Pedro. The Resolve Case button is your tool to officially close the case by marking it as closed. By doing so, Pedro acknowledges that the case has been successfully addressed, providing closure and clarity for all involvers. However, Pedro is designed with flexibility in mind. If anything related to a case arises in the near future, users, in the case healthcare professionals, can reopen the case within the system. As we reach the end of this tutorial, we hope you have gained a deeper understanding of how Pedro empowers case managers and board members to make a meaningful difference in CLL patients. Thank you for joining us on this journey. For more information, support, or to start your own Pedro experience, reach out to our team. Together, we are shaping the future of patient care, one case at a time.